Well, that's one way to smoke a salmon, Billy. Don't worry. As one of Billy's smoke alarms, we go way back. I used to beep, beep, beep at Billy when he cooked dinner in the past. I know, I was a nuisance. And Billy just shut me up. Use the trifecta. Rag to the face, broom to the gut, and for the finale, ripped from the ceiling, and shoved in the kitchen drawer. Really? All to stop me from beeping? Well, I've improved over the years. Unlike his cooking, my new technology helps reduce cooking nuisance alarms. You see, I can now better distinguish between smoke from a fire and smoke from Billy's dreams of becoming the next Iron Chef. Oh, there, Billy. It's important to have good relationships with your smoke alarms, making sure we are in your home and have working batteries. Your smoke alarms are here to protect you. Listen to us. We are your friends. Hug?
More than half of all home fire deaths occur when there are no working smoke alarms. Make sure you have working smoke alarms in your home.